Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to check your RagBank C3 card balance online. Super handy if you're tracking your payroll cash on the go. Guys, first grab the C3Pay app. It's your main hub. Head to the App Store or Google Play and grab it from there. Open it up, and if you're new, register with your C3 card number and phone. You'll get a verification code via SMS. Already got it? Log in with your mobile number and PIN. Takes a sec to load your dashboard. After that, guys, step number 2, find your balance. Once you're in, your available balance pops up right on the home screen. No digging needed. Want to details? Tap transactions to see your history, withdrawals, top-ups, all of it. Option number 3, try RagBank's site. Go to ragbank.ae. Click login under personal banking. After that, guys, use your C3 credentials, same as the app if you've linked it. Hit cards, pick your C3 card, and your balance shows it up. It's slick on desktop, but the app faster for most. Step 4, basically done. That's how you fix RagBank C3 card balance online. Grab the C3Pay app, log in, or hit RagBank's site and troubleshoot if needed. Guys, got it working? Drop your experience below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.